Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. I am Nasir Ahmad, motivational speaker, lead consultant. Here today I am going to tell you people that nothing is impossible in this world. Just hard work is the key of success. In this world, everything is possible. Just you people have to develop your thinking. Here I am going to quote an example in front of you. You people have heard about Barack Obama. In 1996, at that time, he was a primary teacher. Former president of America in 1996, at that time he was a primary teacher. He met his friend and said that I want to become the president of America. His friend looked at him and said, not at all. You are a madman. You are saying that you want to become the president of America? Not at all. You will never ever become the president of America. Obama asked why. What are the reasons? His friend replied, there are three reasons. Because of three reasons you never become the president of America. He said, what are the reasons? Tell me. He said, the first reason is that you are a primary teacher and you are saying that you want to become the president of America. Not at all. Never ever. You never can become the president of America. The second reason is that you are from Kenya and you are saying that you want to become the president of America. Not at all. Never ever. You can't become the president of America. The third reason is that you are black. In America, they didn't like the black person. Never in this history of America, never ever, nothing. Not at all. Never a person can become a counselor and you are saying that you want to become the president of America. Not at all. He said at that time Obama gave historical statement. He said nothing is impossible in this world. Just hard work is the key of success. At that time when he challenged his friend, he resigned from his job and participated in the election. First time he defeated, but he didn't lose hope. After that he again participated in the election. Second time also defeated. 5 times he defeated in election, but he never ever lose his hope. He always show consistency. And then he participated in the election and selected as a councillor. Then MPA, then MNA, then senator. When he selected as a senator, he spent 18 hours in a day. He spent 18 hours in a day, and within 2 years he considered top 10 senator of America. After that he launched his campaign as a presidentship and he elected as a president. When he elected as a president, when he addressed to the congregation, his friend was also standing there. He pointed towards his friend and said, nothing is impossible in this world, just hard work is the key of success. Look, if a person from Kenya, if a black person, if a primary teacher can become the president of America, you people can also become doctors. You can also become engineers. You can also become bureaucrats. You can improve yourself. Just you have to develop your thinking. As I said, nothing is impossible in this world. Just hard work and consistency is the key of success.